Ready for a new piece? In this Making Music Fun Music Academy lesson, I'll teach you to play bingo. Let's get started. Bingo begins with an incomplete measure. That means the measure doesn't have the number of beats that the time signature says it should have. How many beats are in this incomplete measure? That's right, there's only one beat. How many beats does the time signature say a measure should have? Right again, each measure should have 4 beats. Let's try the incomplete measure along with the first 2 measures. You'll play the G below middle C with left hand finger 4, and then switch to your right hand to play C, C with right hand finger 1, and then switch back to your left hand to play G, G, A, G, G with left hand fingers 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. It sounds like this. G, C, C, G, G, A, G, G. Try it. Great! The next 2 measures use only treble clef notes, and you'll be playing everything with your right hand. You'll play C, C, D, D, E, C with fingers 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. It sounds like this. C, C, D, D, half note C, rest. Give it a try. Awesome! The next 2 measures begin a rhythmic pattern that lasts for 6 measures. Knowing what this rhythm is before you start to practice will make it much easier to play. The rhythm is half note, ta, 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 rest. Say it a couple times with me. Half note, ta, 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 rest. Half note, ta, 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 rest. Now let's try the notes. You'll play E, E, F, 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 rest with fingers 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Sounds like this. Half note, F, 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 rest. Try it. Way to go! The bass clef rhythm is exactly the same, only the notes change. You'll play G, G, A with fingers 4, 4, 3, 3, 3. Sounds like this. Half note, A, rest. Try it. Fantastic. Let's put both hands together. Half note, ta, 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 rest. Try it. Great! The melody repeats the basic idea in the next 2 measures with lower notes. This time you'll play D, D, E with right hand fingers 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Half note, E, rest. Try it. Way to go! The bass clef notes are B, B, C, 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 played by left hand fingers 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Sounds like this. Half note, C, 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 rest. Give it a try. Awesome! Let's put both hands together. Half note, ta, 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 rest. Give it a try. Fantastic! The next 2 measures repeat the melodic idea for a 3rd time, again with lower notes. Repeating a melodic idea 3 times is a common technique used by even the most famous composers like Beethoven, Mozart, and Bach. You'll play C, C, D, 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 C with right hand fingers 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. It sounds like this. Half note, half note, D, 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 C. Try it. Great. Let's try the bass clef notes. You'll play A, F, 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 rest with left-hand fingers 3, 3, 5, 5, 5. Half note, F, 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 rest. Try it. Way to go. Let's put both hands together. Half note, ta, 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 C. Try it, making sure you play the last middle C without a bass clef note. Awesome. Let's try the last two measures with hands together right from the beginning. You'll start by sliding your left hand to the left to play B, G, A, B with left hand fingers 1, 3, 2, and 1. In the last measure, you'll play bass clef E with finger 5 and middle C with your right hand thumb. It sounds like this. B, G, A, B, half note, rest. Try it. Way to go. Here's what bingo sounds like from beginning to end.